Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening guys, I'm gonna cook some fish and dumpling guys. Guys, you know what kind of fish me have over here today? Barracuda. Guys, a long time I eat barracuda guys. So I gone, yeah. So I'm gonna mash it up with some flour guys. The barracuda. Guys, a long time I eat barracuda fish, you know. You understand what I did? Guys, I'll be honest, just pray for fish no poison. You understand what I did? Yeah. Barry, just pray for no poison, guys. You don't know the badness. So guys, what I go do? I go fry my fish and then I cook it down and I gonna swallow go on in the kitchen. Look over, guys. Now go and beat a Red Bull and Guinness, you know, you don't know things set up, you know. So guys, I go knead up my flour. Guys, I go do what I have to do, so just watch the video, like up the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell as a video drop guys, you have it. Guys, pray for the fish no poison because you don't know Barry stay already. You understand me? So guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna knead up my flour and make gonna swallow go on in the kitchen. You understand me? Cornmeal dumpling guys. Strong cornmeal dumpling guys. With some fish, barracuda fish guys, a beer badness. Jamaican style. Cornmeal guys. Yeah guys, so start knead up the flour. I go put on the flour guys to go and cook and then start to fry my fish. Guys, when I come in a Nicholas kitchen, I'll be a badness here. Yeah guys, so don't need up my flour. Overs. Yeah guys, be a badness, be a badness. So guys, I'm gonna light up my fire, put on the pot, watch what go on in the kitchen. So yeah guys, as you can see over here, so light up my flour pot, put on the fire. Don't know light up the stove, put on the flour pot. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up my fish and I'm gonna swallow go on. I don't know, only per fish, you understand how I did, yeah. So guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so finish clean up my fish them. I will light up the stove, put on the frying pan, I'm gonna sew go on. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so light up the stove, packed up on fire guys, so I'm gonna fry my fish them and I'm gonna swab on in the kitchen some strong cornmeal dumpling, barracuda fish guys. Don't know the badness come down. Yeah guys, so now I'm gonna have some fish season. Have some fish season guys, I buy some fish season a while ago. Yeah guys, so now I'm gonna use one, season the fish, you fry it, you don't know the badness. Now so I'm gonna put some black pepper. Guys, be a badness guys, be a badness. So guys, when I put in the fish you're gonna fry, I go drop in some flour meantime, you overs. As you can see guys, the oil hot enough, believe that, but it soon come back guys. Yeah guys, so fish are fried, so I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna drop in some flour. I'm gonna sew go on in the kitchen guys, I'll be about it. Guys, water gonna start boil up, if the water start boil up, drop in the flour, then you understand how the, yeah, you don't know the thing come down already. You fish them in a frying pan there. Yeah, some barracuda fish, guys. Guys, I'm gonna throw some flour in the pot. Some strong cornmeal dumplings. Yeah, guys. Flour gone in a pot. So 4 bags. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna deal with some seeds now, some ground seeds guys. Guys, guess what I'm gonna get? Scallion on time, and that's the worst thing for me right now, believe me. Guys, the soon come back. That can't stop me back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna peel a piece of pumpkin. Overs pumpkin, yeah. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the fish them guys. Over the fish them fry. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna fish them this. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up some ground season. You understand what I did? Okra and pumpkin, guys. I'm gonna watch the badness in the kitchen this evening, guys. A beer badness. Remember that, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So my ground season, my okra and my pumpkin, guys, and my fish. So, guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna lock off the flower pot and focus on the fish. You understand what I did? Soon come back. Guys, a beer badness. Watch over yourself. Beer badness, guys. Beer badness. Guys, want to watch about this here. Soon come back. I'm not ready to put in my okra them yet. My okra them, I'm not ready yet, guys. Soon come back, guys. Cock soup. The chicken noodle, guys. Straight from Jamaica. Guys, you know, long me not use them thing. Believe me, guys, long time me not use it. So me get it now. I'm gonna use it. Guys, I'm gonna drop in my okra them now. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Guys, I'm gonna drop in the fish them now. Yeah guys, so I go turn down the stove and make it go on steam. You understand now? Yeah. So I turn down the stove guys, so I'm making go and simmer down the next 5 to 4 minutes. Stove lock off guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so now I lock off the stove. Be a badness. Bam, soon come back guys.